can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, taking a look at an altcoin Synthetix. Synthetix over the last 1 week is down 9.6%. The last 1 month has seen a 10.2% decrease in price. And the last 1 year has seen Synthetix dump by 47.2%. So how high can Synthetix go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We're awaiting that epic Altseason pump. With Synthetix dump to new lows, or are we going to see that pump that might take us above the $5 region? New all-time highs on the plate. We'll take a look at the Synthetix US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. We'll look at Synthetix performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, and finally look at Synthetix performance against king of the market, Ethereum. Synthetix market cap is at the $400 million level. Can it blast above $1 billion one more time? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notifications. Get notified anytime I post a new video and anytime I go live. Synthetix market cap sits at the $412 million level. Fully diluted market cap for Synthetix sits at $413 million. Total circulating supply sits at 327 million tokens. Synthetix all-time high came in way back in 2021. We saw it trade for as high as $28.77. Right now, Synthetix is down 95% from its all-time highs. The all-time low happened in 2019. Synthetix was trading at $0.03 level, and the market rewarded those people that believed in the project. Let's take a look at what Synthetix has done over the years. In the 2021-2022 bull market, guys, Synthetix was the coin to hold. $1,000 invested in Synthetix in January of 2019 would have returned more than a 69,000% increase in investment, which means your $1,000 investment would have given you almost $700,000. That's what you can see in the altcoin market. Huge bumps to the upside. But guys, at the same time, there's a huge dump to the downside in Goblin Town in the altcoin market. Synthetix in its first full crypto bear market lost 94% of its value. We saw it dump into Goblin Town, and then we saw Bitcoin rallying to as high as $73,000, setting new all-time highs. Synthetix couldn't rally to new all-time highs, though we saw Synthetix giving us a 265% pump to the upside. We eventually got stopped at that $5.3 level. That was in March of 2024. Since then, Synthetix has dumped to new bear market lows. We have seen Synthetix go from as high as $5.3, which was trading in March of 2024. We have seen it dump to as low as $1. The lowest price Synthetix has traded since it traded at $1 in June of 2020. Is Synthetix going to zero? I don't believe so, guys. I believe a change of fortune is around the corner for Synthetix. I believe we might see Synthetix start liquidating the bears. First key level to rally for Synthetix, first key level to watch out for Synthetix in the coming days and the coming weeks will be that $3.3 level. We might see Synthetix get rejected there. If we can rally as hard as possible to get there, for us to get to that $3.1 level, Synthetix will need to give us more than 100% pump from where we're currently trading. If we blast above there, there's another huge resistance at the $5.5 level. If I'm going to be gracious for the market, we might see a huge resistance at the $7.3 region from where Synthetix is currently trading. For us to get to $3.3, we need to see Synthetix rally up by around 176%. For us to get to the $7.3 level, we need to see Synthetix rally up by around 480+%. Guys, the altcoin market can be very volatile. Things can move very swiftly. With Bitcoin dominance getting to new highs, we'll not be shocked to see a huge dump in Bitcoin dominance, which means altcoin market may be pumping to the moon. It means the bears will get liquidated. It means people that are sidelined will FOMO in the top. Guys, the all season we're waiting for will happen, but when it happens, nobody knows the time. But you have to look at the sentiment in the market. When the sentiment is down, that's when you want to be investing. That's where you want to be getting to your positions, because when greed and excitement returns back to the market, you see a change in sentiment, you shift in price, you see the altcoins pumping to the moon. If you want to get Synthetix for yourself, you can get some on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Bybit, on OKX, on Upbit. Anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Synthetix right there. You're wondering why people worried about Synthetix. Why is it going to pump to the moon? Why is it trending? Assuming you're watching this video when Synthetix is trending, Synthetix is building a centralized liquidity provision protocol that any protocol can tap into for various purposes. Its deep liquidity and low fees serve as a back end for many exciting protocols on both Optimism and Ethereum. Many user-facing protocols in the Synthetix ecosystem, such as Quente, that's spot and futures, Lira options, Polymer, that's automated options, 1inch and Curve, tap into Synthetix liquidity to power their protocol. Synthetix is built on Optimism and Ethereum mainnet. Synthetix network is collateralized by Synthetix, Ethereum, and LUSD, enabling the issuance of synthetic assets. Bitcoin dominance might be dumping to Goblin Town, guys. It might help Synthetix price push into that $3.3 level. But what will that do to the price of Synthetix against Bitcoin? I believe we'll see a change in fortune for Synthetix price against Bitcoin, because Synthetix has been dumping to Goblin Town since January of 2021 against Bitcoin. Yes, we have been having the occasional pump to the upside, but it has eventually led to Synthetix tending towards zero against Bitcoin. Synthetix has lost around 97% of its value against Bitcoin. In the coming days and the coming weeks, guys, I will not be shocked to see a counter rally that will liquidate the bears. So we might just see Synthetix start gaining against Bitcoin. It might not start with people buying, it might be with bears getting liquidated, and then we'll see a lot of market participants foam back in. We can see Synthetix easily erase all the losses we have made over the last 2 years, 3 years. This Altseason's pump can come very, very aggressive. They can come in a flash, and before you know it, they are out. Because many market participants overestimate how high the pump will go, and they always underestimate how down the dump will go. Right now, we're expecting the pump, so maybe a 200 to 300% pump for Synthetix could be very, very ideal. Best case scenario, we'll see Synthetix rallying 400% against Bitcoin, and against Ethereum, I'm expecting similar price action. I'm expecting to see Synthetix have a rally against Bitcoin and against Ethereum. Against Ethereum, I don't think a lot of damage will be done. I'll be watching out for key levels from where Synthetix is currently trading for it to rally against Ethereum first. 100% pump will carry us to a very, very key resistance level. That's at the 0.001 level of Synthetix valuation against Ethereum. If we can rally back to where we traded in December of 2023, that will see Synthetix rally now by 326% from where we're currently trading. Guys, the altcoin market can do crazy things. Those crazy things can happen very, very quickly. Most of these numbers look outrageous, but if you see how the pump will start, take a look at what Synthetix just did in the past. We saw the market cap go from a measly $23 million. We saw the market cap hitting multi-billion dollars, getting to as high as $3.5 billion. So things can move very, very quickly in the altcoin market. With Synthetix market cap sitting at the $412 million level. Key levels to watch out for. First, the $1 billion region. Very, very important level to watch out for. We saw Synthetix fail to hold that $1 billion level. I will not be shocked if that proves a difficult level in the coming days and the coming weeks. In the coming days and the coming weeks, I'm expecting to see that Altseason rally. That Altseason rally is going to be a gigantic bull trap, guys. You're going to hear outrageous price predictions. You're going to hear buy more, it's going to the moon. But at that $1 billion level, if we see a hard reaction for Synthetix, you want to be taking some profits off the table. If you can rally above that, and that key level that Synthetix will need to blast above will be the $1.5 billion level. From where we're currently trading, for Synthetix to rally to as high as $1 billion, we need to see around the 142% increase in price. For it to get to $1.5 billion, we need to see around the 280% increase in price. So what will the 128% increase in price do for the price of Synthetix? From $1.29, we'll see it rally to as high as the very, very perfect, as the $3 region. For it to get 282%, we'll see Synthetix price get to as high as $5. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you believe Synthetix will pump that high in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are you expecting to see that epic Altseason pump? Do you think an all-time high is on the cards, or you think I'm super bearish? I want to hear your thoughts about Synthetix in the comment section. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.